Hi everyone, let's work out together today to get slimmed and beautifully toned legs. If you have a yoga block or something similar, go ahead and grab it. If not, you can totally use a chair or even a wall for a little extra support. The most important thing is your alignment and posture. So take your time and really pay attention to your angles and how your body is positioned. Stand tall with your weight centered. Lift your knee up without leaning to the side. Stay grounded as if both feet are still on the floor. Keep that tall posture. Now lift your knee to the side and squeeze your elbow down. Think of it like an elastic stretch in and out. Let's go back to the front knee lift, this time with the other leg. Try your best to stay still, just like you're standing tall and centered. Next is side knee lift. Make sure to open up your knee wide. This is to activate your side glutes and outer hips. Next is a deep squat. Drop your hips lower than your knees to work your glutes and hamstrings deeply. You can use your yoga block as a guide for how low you should go. We are going down into a lunge, then lift your back leg straight up behind. Hands on your yoga block or a chair. Keep your front knee bent and your back flat. Combining a lunge with a leg lift, activate both large muscle groups for strength and small stabilizing muscles for balance. Let's try the other leg. Be careful not to swing your leg too fast. This is all about slow, controlled movement. Using a yoga block brings your hands lower, increasing your range of motion, which helps activate your glutes, hamstrings, and core more deeply. But if you're using a chair, you can still get the same effect. Now face your knees and toes forward. Slightly bend your left knee and keep your right leg straight as you lift. You don't need to lift too high. Just focus on keeping that right knee as straight as possible. Let's do the same workout on the other leg now. Stay focused on that lengthened control and smooth movement. Now stand with wide legs, knees and toes turned out. Go straight down, give 2 small pulses, then slowly come back up. Keep your chest lifted, hips tucked in, and rise up with control. Now stand with heels together and toes turned out in a small V shape. As you bend your knees, make sure your hips stay directly above your heels. Then lift your heels as you rise up. When you lower your body, press down strong through your heels. Start in a lunge facing left, right leg in front, then rotate to center into a wide squat. Slide right into a lunge, then come back to a center squat, all staying low. Stand tall with arms straight in front. Curl your right leg behind, knees slightly bent. Try to lift the knee higher. At the same time, reach your left hand towards your right foot behind you. Then come back standing. Okay, other side. This exercise tones the leg in a lengthened shape, helping create that slim, sculpted look. Plus, the reach across the body has a little core twist, making it even more effective. Now your right leg slightly bent and your left leg extended back. Hold the yoga block in your left hand, lowering the block until it touches the floor. Then lift your left leg up behind you. Tap the back toe down and hinge back up to standing. You can also do this with a chair instead of the block. Just reach toward the seat as you hinge forward and lift your back leg the same way. You're doing great! Now place one foot on top of the block. Keep your weight on the supporting leg. Press down as a one-leg squat. You've got to try this. It's a great way to strengthen and sculpt your legs. You can either place your whole foot on the block or just toes like I'm doing. You can adjust the levels to fit your needs. Let's turn to the other side. Now going back to hinge, reach, and lift. If lifting your back leg is hard, just do the hinging part with your toes on the floor. Focus on your posture and balance first. The lift will come later. Let's do one leg squat on the other side. Make sure your knee is not caved in or going too far forward. Keep your chest up and core strong. Again, push into your heel when you go into the squat. Lift one leg straight in front, no leaning, keep your body centered. Smoothly sweep the leg to the side and back in a half circle, keeping it straight for the whole time. You can hold on to a wall or chair if you need support, but stay tall and controlled. Let's do the same movement on the other side. Let's reposition one more time. Stand up straight and tall. Straight leg lifts work your legs in a strengthened position, which helps create that slim and long leg effect. Now feet together, reach down for a hamstring stretch. Slowly come up, lift your arms and raise your heels up high. Make your body as tall as possible. Now step wide, turn your toes and knees out. Lower into a wide stance squat. Lift your heels, then slowly lower them as you stand back up. This really tones your inner thighs, especially with the heel lift. yoga block out front. Lift one heel up towards it, keeping your knee bent and open to the side. This one targets your glutes, thighs, and hips all at once. Keep your body steady. We are going to do the same thing on the other side. If you don't have a yoga block, you can use a pillow, a book, or just imagine instead. It's just helpful to have something to aim for. It keeps your form sharp. This is your last workout. Great job today! Save this video and repeat again. It really helps to tone your legs over time. I'm Keiko. Like and subscribe to keep working out with me. I post fun workouts to help you stay strong, healthy, and happy. Don't miss out. See you next time!